Wanna know how to exit or quit from the Paladins game? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide and how you can easily properly close Paladins instead of just pressing Alt and F4. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here, which is the settings. So now once you have selected settings, you should be provided with various interfaces right here. So right beside settings as well, you should be seeing this cross icon, just simply select it. So now once you have selected that, here you should be seeing various options, region notification settings and much more. So right below it, you should be seeing exit game. So you can just simply select it right here. Now once you have selected exit game, you should be seeing three options: log out, exit game or cancel. So since we only want to exit game, just simply select exit game and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.